Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken popcorn right at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless chicken, all-purpose flour, and your favorite seasonings. Cut the chicken into small, uniform pieces, roughly 1 inch in size. Then, marinate these pieces in about 1/2 cup of buttermilk or plain yogurt for at least 30 minutes to ensure they are super tender and flavorful. Now let's get that perfect crispy coating. In a shallow dish, combine about 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and your preferred spices like paprika, garlic powder, and salt. Take each marinated chicken piece and dredge it thoroughly in this dry mixture, pressing gently to ensure it's fully coated. For an extra crunchy texture, you can dip it back into the marinade and then into the flour mixture again. It's time to fry our chicken popcorn to golden perfection. Heat about 3 to 4 cups of cooking oil in a deep pan or pot to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a small batch of the breaded chicken into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until the chicken is beautifully golden brown and cooked completely through, ensuring it's crispy on the outside. Once your chicken popcorn is perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove it from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Place the cooked pieces on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. While still hot, sprinkle with a little extra salt or your favorite seasoning blend for an added kick. Serve your delicious homemade chicken popcorn immediately with a variety of dipping sauces, like tangy barbecue or creamy ranch, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.